So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add polls and quizzes here on Canva on the desktop version to your design. So once you have Canva opened up, the first thing you have to do is to go to the left-hand side of your screen and press on the Elements tab right here. Once the Elements tab is opened up, simply just scroll down below Graphics to where it says Polls and Quizzes. If you go on See All right here, you can view a bunch of different options if you're looking for a quiz or a poll. For example, we'll just go to see all for polls right here. And we'll use this one right here. We'll use this example right here of this green one. So as you can really tell right here, add a poll question or statement. So if you wanted to make it a little bit larger, we can go, you can just, change the header to blue or red for color. And the first option can be blue. Second option can be red. You can also go to the three dots right here. You can move it up or down. You can add an option if you want. So basically, this is our wonderful quiz right here. So if I wanted to go ahead and say blue is my favorite color, blue is my vote right here. If you go to the top here and press on analytics right here, you can actually see the poll and quiz responses. You have one response, and it is blue. That is 100%. So you can play around with it. You can make it as complicated or as simple as you want. But that is pretty much how to add polls and or quizzes here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.